Hello everyone, in today's video we are fixing the problem where your Xbox app is not working on your Windows. So let's just get started with the process in order to fix it. You can start by checking for updates. You can open up your Microsoft Store for that. And once you open up your Microsoft Store, you can go to your profile in the top of your screen. And from here, just go over and look for the store settings. And from here, you can just go ahead and update Xbox. If not from here, you can just go ahead and look for app updates and turn this option on right here. And that should basically go ahead and turn on update automatically. Or you can directly search for the Xbox application here, Xbox, hit enter. And once you hit enter, you can just go ahead and look for updates if there is any kind of update available for your Xbox on your device. And that should do it within the Microsoft Store itself, or you can also use the official browser in order to do so. Also, you can try repairing or resetting the Xbox application. You can hit Windows plus I for that. And once you open up your settings, you can go to the app section and open it up. And from here, look out for the installed apps and open it up. And go ahead and find the Xbox application here. And then once you find your Xbox application, let's say this is the application, you just need to head over and click on the three dot right beside it. And from there, just go ahead and select the option for advanced. For example, let me just show you. It should be available like this. Look out for advanced option. And once you find it up, you can just go ahead and look out for the repair option. Go to advanced option for that. And from advanced option, you can look out for the repair option, click on it. If that does not work, you can even look out for the reset option, and that should do it for you. Also, what you can do is you can just go ahead and clear the Microsoft Store cache. So close this up and hit Windows plus R. And from here, just go ahead and type in ws reset.exe. After that, hit enter and wait for the store to reset, and then you can reopen the Xbox application again on your device. Also try signing out and trying back in. That will also help you with the issue, and also reinstall the Xbox application. And that's it. Usually repairing the Xbox or reinstalling the game itself should fix the issues right away. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.